Did you know that almost 5 million students around the world choose to pursue their education abroad each year? Yes, you heard it right. 5 million. That's more than the entire population of New Zealand. Now, let's dive into some snippets of interviews with students who've had the unique experience of studying in a foreign land. Studying abroad opened my eyes to different cultures, says Maria, who spent a year in Italy. It wasn't just about the academics, it was about understanding a whole new way of life. Or consider the words of Ahmed, who traveled from his home in Egypt to study in Australia. The experience was challenging at times, but it was worth every moment. It changed my perspective on life and made me more independent. And then there's Emily, who hails from the United States and chose to study in Japan. The language barrier was tough at first, but I learned a lot. It was a life-changing experience. These are just a few examples out of the millions who've made the brave decision to step out of their comfort zones and embark on an educational journey abroad. Now you might be wondering, is studying abroad right for me? Well, only you can answer that question. However, it is vital to remember that studying abroad isn't just about getting a degree. It's about experiencing new cultures, meeting people from all walks of life, and growing both personally and academically. There are countless resources available to help you make this important decision. Look into different countries and their educational systems. Research about the culture, the cost of living, and the opportunities available for international students. Speak to students who've been there, done that. They can provide valuable insights into what it's like to live and study in a foreign country. And remember, it's normal to feel overwhelmed. It's a big decision, but it's also an exciting one. So, step into the world of research. Dive into the depths of the internet, talk to people, ask questions, make an informed decision. Because at the end of the day, studying abroad could be the adventure of a lifetime. It could be the experience that shapes you, that defines you. It's a vast, diverse world out there, and it's waiting for you to explore it. So go ahead, start your research. And who knows, maybe the next big adventure is just around the corner. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Are you ready to take yours? So, you've decided to study abroad. What's next? The answer is simple: preparation. But what does that entail? Let's break it down. First and foremost, research about the country you're going to. Learn about its culture, its people, its customs. What are the do's and don'ts? What are the cultural norms? What's the lifestyle like? The more you know, the less culture shock you'll experience. Be proactive in your learning and you'll find yourself more comfortable in your new surroundings. Secondly, learn the basics of the local language. Even if your course will be conducted in English, being able to communicate in the local language will make your life much easier. It will help you connect with locals, navigate the city, and even make friends. There are plenty of language learning apps and online resources you can use. So, set aside some time each day to learn a few phrases. You'll thank yourself later. Thirdly, understand the education system and the university you'll be attending. What's the grading system like? What are the expectations? How are classes conducted? Understanding these things will help you adjust to your academic life more smoothly. Reach out to the university or to current students if you have questions. Don't be afraid to ask. Remember, knowledge is power. To wrap things up, remember that preparation is key. Equip yourself with knowledge and embrace the adventure that awaits. Studying abroad is a journey, and like any journey, it requires planning. So get started. Start researching, start learning, start preparing. Because your adventure is just beginning. And trust me, it's going to be one hell of a ride. Are you ready? So, what are the benefits of studying abroad? Why take the plunge and step out of your comfort zone? Let's dive in. First up, exposure to a new culture and way of life. When you study abroad, you're not just learning in the classroom. You're learning from the world around you. You're immersing yourself in a different culture, experiencing a different way of life, and gaining a new perspective. This exposure broadens your horizons and enriches your personal growth. It's an education that extends beyond textbooks and lectures. Secondly, studying abroad enhances your employability and career prospects. In today's globalized world, having international experience is a valuable asset. It shows potential employers that you're adaptable, independent, and can thrive in diverse environments. Not to mention, it gives you a chance to network and make connections that could open doors for you in the future. Thirdly, studying abroad develops independence and problem-solving skills. Living in a foreign country, you're bound to face challenges, but it's in overcoming these challenges that you grow. You learn to be self-reliant, to think on your feet, to solve problems. These skills are not just useful, they're essential. They prepare you for life, for the real world. In conclusion, studying abroad can be a life-changing experience that offers numerous benefits. It's not just about getting a degree, it's about growing as a person, about becoming a global citizen. So take the leap, embrace the adventure, because the benefits of studying abroad extend far beyond academics. It's about the journey, the experiences, the growth. And trust me, it's a journey worth taking. In conclusion, studying abroad is an exciting opportunity that opens up a world of possibilities. It's a chance for you to explore new cultures, learn from diverse environments, and grow both personally and professionally. It's a decision that requires careful consideration, planning, and preparation, but the rewards are immense. The benefits of studying abroad extend beyond just academics. They seep into your character, shaping you into a more adaptable, independent, and globally aware individual. The experiences you gain, the networks you build, and the skills you develop can have a lasting impact on your future. So are you ready to unlock your future and explore the world? Because studying abroad could be the key you've been looking for. It's your journey to take, your adventure to embrace. So take the leap and let the world be your classroom.